I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, you wanna hate this, I wanna show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I put so descriptive like an adjective. I got a pen ready to get sleep so fast. Negative, you should be getting active. I got backs over backs over tracks. It's a gas, it's so sweet. Fast, I feel worse, I can gas. Think I'm all clear, that's when I start going back. It's a race on the past and the pettiness. Overflowing and the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious. Because who I know, the interior, inferior. You know I'm always be a bit superior. Get off me, this ain't the fun. What I got one, make your words the same. But everyone just feel free to change the last. It takes me, gotta keep the film to last.
National Street yun. National Street yun. then cross? Oh no, Nganshik Street? Nganshik? Across the road, guys. Then this Manshur Street. Here, Manshur Street, guys, then go straight. That. Just go straight to this way. Just follow Manshur Street. Wow. No, wait. Straight. Left side with a hand, guys. Then just go straight. Right side. So here, right side. That one. Kasi makalapit lang sa akin. 20 minutes. So here. It's right. May appointment, guys. It's right. Are you sure it's straight? Yeah, 10 minutes. Yan. You see that? Put your phone in 10 minutes na lang. Get this straight. Guys. Ano sabi niya? Then here guys. Then where are we? Here guys. Nakikita niyo yung map. What? Left side. Hindi ko siya really the falls guys. Yung bagsak niya. Yung falls ko siya malililig na. Here guys, you can see the here. Where is it? Here. Yan. Kita niyo ba guys? Malayo pa. But we can hear already the waterfalls. The noise of the water. You can hear. Guys, you're almost there. You're almost there. Hindi naman siya mahirap pala. Yan guys. Yan na siya. Yay! We're here. You're at the top. Silvermine Bay Waterfalls Garden. Ayan guys. You can see, maulan na siya. Promise. Guys, this is Silvermine Waterfalls. Meron pa siya rin yan. We're done in the waterfall, so now we're heading to the cave. So guys, we're heading to the cave already. I-try lang namin puntahan kasi hindi naman siya malayo dito. Mga 2 minutes na lang siya na walking. So, sulitin na namin. Kailangan namin mapuntahan ninyo. Dito, pakyat. Yan, may makikita ka niyan guys. Silvermine Cave yun. Sorry, medyo blurry siya. Yan. Kaya yun ang puntahan natin guys, doon. Yun. See? Makikita nyo pa rin dito yung waterfalls. Then, punta kami doon. Hi. Mga 2 minutes walking distance lang siya guys. So, at least masulit din namin yung punta namin dito. Puntahan na lang namin yung cave. Kita. Okay na, this is the Olympic trail, right? Okay? This is the Olympic trail. Okay. We're here. Let's go. There guys. The cave. So nilagyan naman ng barriers. Bawal siya pasukin talaga ng bomba. Silvermine Cave in Monroe was the place of silver production towards the Silvermine Cave. The cave is silver meters deep. Silver mining began in about 1910. That stopped later in how to grow silver tinted. Nowadays, the cave is really a relic of the past and a place that roses nostalgic feelings. Ground stone sculpture. Oh, I see. Okay. This is the cave. Actually, nung pagpapasok ko guys, may paniki siyang lumabas. So, ganyan siya.
Bali, nilak nila. Mining daw to eh. Tapos, sinara na nila. Danger, no entry. Kaya yan. Ganyan lang. Hindi na nila.
So guys, this time pupunta kami sa Pearl Waterfalls sa ibabaw lang ng Silver Mine Waterfalls. So let's go guys, puntahan natin. Tara na!
Pearl Waterfalls guys. Look. It's so nice. See? Ang ganda guys. As in, sobra. Pearl. Thank you for watching. Bye. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Bye. See you.